Here's a look at the installation of our new Honda Grom swing arm kit using our tool designed specifically for the Grom that eliminates much of the headache. We'll start with our aluminum receiver and the longer 120 millimeter bolt. That shoulder fits precisely on the swing arm. Run that through and add the 1/4 inch steel washer provided. A zinc washer and the M12 nut, and we're ready to go. Note this takes quite a bit of force, so you're much better off with a breaker bar instead of a regular ratchet. When we get our socket flush with the swing arm, we're going to back the nut off and add 4 of the supplied washers. We'll repeat this process 2 more times until the stock sleeve is completely driven from the swing arm. The whole process, start to finish, is really about slow and easy. You could use power tools. We choose not to because personally we like to feel what the hardware is doing. Pay attention to how the bolt and nut feel throughout this process. If you don't bottom them or abuse them, they'll hold up just fine. In the odd event there is an issue, we've included extras. Never force any hardware that begins to feel bad. This entire process takes quite a bit of force, but it's consistent throughout. So if anything begins to feel overly tightened or different, back it off and check. With the stock sleeve removed, we'll take just a second to clean the bore. Apply a thin coat of quality grease inside the bore and we're ready to reverse the process. We're going to use the longer 120 millimeter bolt, the shouldered steel spacer with the sleeve to fit our new stainless, and line up inside the bore. On the other side, we'll use the larger steel spacer with the larger shoulder, the 1/4 inch steel spacer used previously, and we'll add a few zinc washers to take up some space on the remaining threads. We'll tighten this down until we use up nearly all of the thread depth. Next, we'll switch to the shorter 90 millimeter bolt and repeat the process. At this point, we have to flip the inner washer over to get that shoulder out of the way. Stack some washers and repeat. Tighten until the flange on the stainless is securely against the swing arm.